Okay, yes, okay. I'm giving you 2-3 minutes more so that everyone can join. So the new thing which I'm going to tell you is everyone see it. Okay. So yes, only how many students? 11 are there.
Sir, can you please speak a bit louder?
Okay, I will try. So please, everyone, take out their books and copies. Everyone, do it.
So what we have to do?
I'm telling you, beta. Don't worry. Okay. So today, yes, listen to me carefully. What we have to do today? Just wait. Okay. So I'm giving. Assalamu warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Please see, listen the instructions carefully. Okay, I'm giving you 2 slides.
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Walaikum Assalam. Okay, so I'm showing you 2 slides. You have to perform accordingly. Is it clear?
All right, sir.
And
So can you please repeat because I got a little late.
okay, beta, listen. Okay, very fine. Okay, I'm showing you 2 slides. Okay, and you have to perform accordingly. And this activity is finished at 12:15 sharp. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay,
So
sir.
everyone, please do it. Okay, I am sharing my screen and muting you all. Okay, I'm not muting you. Okay, you can ask me if you are having any confusion. Okay, yes, my voice is clear and audible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so please, boys and girls, the activity begins now, and please take it seriously because I'm telling you, success is depends upon everything: your performance, your activities, your way of everything. Okay, counts success. So I'm telling, showing you the slide. Okay, my screen visible now?
No, sir.
It's not visible.
Yes, sir. Now it's visible.
Okay. Anyone having query?
Sir, it is not visible.
Not visible. Why, beta? It's visible.
Yes, sir. It is visible. Yes, sir. It is visible.
Okay, okay, okay.
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Okay, this is your class performance activity. Okay, on today, 2nd of August 2021. This is your first slide. Okay, and the second, the most important is this slide. Okay, right now, do it in your copy and submit me. Okay.
Sir, both?
Yes.
Sir, what? Can you repeat it again? What are you saying, please?
Okay, I am saying this. This is the activity you have to do in the class. Okay, and submit me by 12:15. Okay, in this period only. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, and in the next class, I will tell you your performance level. Okay, to everyone. And please,
Can I ask something?
yes, you can ask whatever you want.
Sir, the questions which you have given are from the book only, means the long answer questions.
Yes, this is from
What is
the book.
electronic consultation?
Yes,
So,
this is.
I have already done the question answers in my notebook, so I'll have to do it again.
Yes, you have to do it. Okay, if you are doing so, it is better already. You know it. So try to write point wise. See, this is the instructions. Everyone, let's see it clearly. Okay, I want the answer accordingly. Okay, these are some instructions you have to write in this way. Yes, yeah, boys, is it clear to everyone? Okay. So if
Sir, we have to write this question apart from the means
okay, listen to me that I am
question
saying
answers. We have already done this in question answer.
you do it right now in point
Right
wise.
again.
Yes, you have to do it, and remember, these are the instructions. Write the answer point wise. Write the answer according to marks. Make diagrams wherever required. Is it clear?
All right, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'm seeing here that 18 participants are there. Okay, so I want 18 answer sheets. Okay, if they are not submitting, okay, whatever and how much you completed by 12:15, you have to submit
in your
it.
personal number.
Obviously, okay, because messages are flashing too much and very fast in the group, so it is difficult to read and swiping again and again, scrolling. Okay, so please do it again, and 5 marks means it is the maximum marks. Okay, 5 marks, so you have to at least write one page for both. Okay, wherever you are having confusion, you can ask me. Okay, and in the next turn I will try to do some another thing. Okay, is this type of activity is good for you?
Yes, sir, it is beneficial.
Yes, it is a type of class test.
Name is added or it is cut. It is not there, so just cut it from that entity. Nothing else.
The first one is, what is electronic configuration? Okay, please, one thing that you made mistakes, as I saw in your answer sheet also, that please, after writing the answer, please read it yourself. Okay, so that wherever it is required to alter anything, okay, you can do yourself, and in this way you will achieve full marks. Okay, I'm again telling you, the beauty of the question or the beauty of your answer is it should be concise and point wise. You can take help from the book also, okay, but it should be concise. And
So we can
should
take help from book.
Yes,
But
yes.
sir, it's supposed to be a class test, right? Like a type
No,
of
no,
class
no.
test.
Yes, it is a type of test, you can say. Basically, this is if
Sir?
required. Yes,
Sir, this is a type of presentation test, right? We have to write this point to point wise.
beta, this is a
How
type
many
of.
points we
this
knows
is-
we write that?
Yes, actually, this is a type of presentation. Means I want to see how much able you can able to write in a point wise or in concise form. Okay, because inshallah, very soon you are be in ninth and then in 10th and higher standards. So you should able to concise the same thing and elaborate the same thing. Okay, is it clear to everyone?
All right, sir.
And one thing I am telling you, because it's a first time presentation on live classes, so there is a rule for writing on the model or on the diagram that it should be better to write all the things in either on the left hand side or either on the right hand side by arrows, so that it should look clean and uh, attractive also. And in the homework, you have to do exercise 73 and 74. Actually, you already maybe some of the students have done it. Is anyone, which one had the lowest number? Who got the lowest number in chemistry? And who got
Sir, I would have got the full marks if because sir, I got full in notebooks
not
and
audible?
full in subjective, but actually the first paper was. So am I audible now?
Yes.
Sir, I would have got full marks in chemistry, but actually what happened, I got full in notebook marks and full in subjective marks,
Okay.
but I forgot to do the MCQ. It was the first paper, so that is why I got 20. Or else I would
Sir,
have
I
got
got
25.
25 out of 25 in
Okay,
chemistry.
mashallah.
I
Actually,
also got
okay. Beta, listen to me. Who is this? Voice is not audible clearly. Abdul Awwal. Yes, Abdul Awwal, please say once again. Your voice is totally not clear. Please, everyone, do it the best way of writing your answer, the best you can do in your paper, in the same way you do it right now. Okay. And be honest, be submitted by 12:15. Anything left, leave it. Okay.
Sir, only these two questions we have to do.
Yes, beta. These two questions we have to do. This is a complete 5 marks question, so you write everything, okay, in it. In board's model and first question, okay. One thing which I want to tell you what to do in the first question, but I'm not telling you also at the same time, because I want that who will do that. Okay. That's why I'm not telling you. One thing which is very, very important, which supports also the question. Okay, that I want to know who will do that thing. Yes. Sir, I know that thing.
Question number 1.
Yes, yes. In question number
I know
1.
that thing. What is that?
Okay, don't tell.
So you're
Beta.
talking
Okay,
about which question?
don't tell. Okay, I want to know how far your thinking is. Okay, what's your horizon?
Sir,
Always.
I'm asking this that you're talking about which question?
I'm telling about first question.
Okay, okay.
Yes, boys and girls, show your potential. Okay, everyone. Okay, 20, I think 25, 24 participants are there. So, okay. Yes, in this activity also I can observe your writing speed, your way of writing means handwriting also. Okay, but as a science student, it does not uh, impact more. Okay. Yes, Ahmed Misbah, are you there? Zaira, are you there? How many students
sir.
are present? Just raise your hand. Who are doing the work? Just raise your hand who are doing the work. Yes, from boys and girls both. One, two, three, four, five, six, 8, 9, 10. Out of 23, 10 students are raising their hands. I think Abdul Awwal, from Abdul Awwal, Ammar, Asif, Jamal, Ayan, they are not there here. Dania, Fatima, Shafaq, Umar Khan, Shafi Iqbal, Moise Khalik. Okay. Just Sadiqana join.
So you stopped screen sharing.
Yes. Yes. Anyone completed these two questions?
Sir, I've done.
Read once again. Any point left or everything is completed? please do it, okay? And if anyone completed, then send it to me. I'm telling you to everyone that please read once again after completing the work, after completing the answers. And if anything is missing, please do it, complete it. And if everything is okay, then send it to me.
Sir,
Yes, beta.
sir, if the answer is
Sir,
going
sir,
more than
according
one
to
page, then
Beta, one by one. Yes, who is speaking first? Yes, Dua Khan, you want to speak? You are speaking? Yes.
sir, if our answer is going up more than one page,
Then it's okay, beta. But it should be first thing complete, means every point you covered, you didn't miss any point. It doesn't matter because it's a long type question and I give you it's a 5 marks question, first thing. Second thing is that some students, please listen it carefully, everyone. Okay, as it is a long answer, please try to uh, write according to your class level. Okay, if it is required, means you can write many things about Bohr atomic model. Okay, because some students also study from net also and anywhere. That's okay, but you have to be very specific as per your class. Is it clear? Yes. Another who is want to ask something? Who is asking?
so she was Umrah.
Yes, beta.
Sir, I was just asking this only that if our answer is one page,
No, no, no. It will be.
there is no problem because
no.
5 marks is there. So you said it right according to 5 marks.
Yes.
Sir, I was asking that we have to send on WhatsApp or school app.
You have to submit me on my number. Okay. Just if anyone completed, then send it to me. Okay.
Sir, I am on second.
Okay, beta. Do it fast. Yes, how many boys have completed the work? Beta, everyone listen it carefully that the previous assessment was very easy as the chapter is very easy. Okay, please this time be careful. Okay, I make you practice during the class also, so that boys and girls everyone got very good marks, and the way of writing also. That's why I'm doing this. Yes, only 15 minutes are left. Try to wind the work by 10, so by 12:10. Please try to maintain the same speed, because some students writing the very first question very neat and clean and takes a lot of time, and the next question as the time is uh, very less remaining. Okay, very less time remains, so they are just doing it very fast. Okay, so maintain this speed also. Boys, I've noted the names who are present, but if they are not submitting or they are not raising the hands also, so I just know that who are in the meeting and not performing and not showing the work. Okay, 10 students are still there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm asking for those who are not responding or not still raising the hands.
Sir, I have sent.
Okay, let me check.
So we have to submit in PDF form.
Any form, any type. Okay, JPG format, PDF format, any format. Okay. Ammar Zahid.
So we have to submit on your personal number.
Yes, beta. Beta, Ammar Zahid. Yes, Ammar Zahid, be online, please. Ammar Zahid, be online, please. Ammar Zahid, open your
Yes,
mic. Okay, beta, who is this? Okay. Ammar Zahid, why you left these lines? In the first question, you left some space. Why? Beta, I am telling you one thing. Everyone, after writing the answers, okay, we also, when we are student, then when I was a student, we also thinking that I am doing the right thing. Okay, I have done very right, and I will achieve very good marks. But what happens when someone is reading or checking your copies? Then he found the mistakes. Amma said, tell me frankly, is it answer of 5 marks which you have written? Yes, beta, Ammar, speak. Open your mic. Ammar, just open your mic once. Beta, tell me one thing. Is this the correct? Is this correct to write this answer? What you have written? Okay. Also, the second thing is that you are not writing the answer according to the given instructions. But everything is counted now. You prepared the chapter, you did the exam, and you thought that I will achieve out of around 80%, 90%, more than 90%. But this is not 5 marks answer. First one or second one, both. That's why I'm taking these activities.
sir,
Okay.
I don't know the answer of first question. Second.
This is type of activities because Zaira Fatima has sent me. Okay. Zaira Fatima has sent me. Okay.
Sir, actually,
beta.
I have an injury at my hand. I am
Oh,
writing my full answer, but the writing must be some.
okay, okay, beta. What happened to you, beta? What happened to your hand?
Sir, I have got a deep cut.
Take care, be careful. Okay, okay, okay. One thing that I was saying that who will do that thing in question number 1? That is missing in yours also. Okay, CDF. Okay. Yeah. Okay, Zaira Fatma, your answer sheet is good, but it is there is some lacking also. Okay, inshallah, I will explain these in the next coming period on Thursday. I think Thursday we will have the period. Okay, beta.
Okay, sir.
Okay, boys. Okay. Yes, tell me this also. This type of activities are good or no? Is effective or not? Yes, anyone? Yes, students, please listen it carefully. If you are sending me the answer, send me at a single click. Okay, means if you are attaching 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever number of pages, don't send me. Okay, after means you send one page, then after 2, 3 minutes you send another page.
Sir, I have submitted.
Rama Khalid, I received yours. Okay, okay. I will. Ammar Zahid, sorry, Question. Beta, this is the thing, na? This activities tell you and reflect your performance. Basically, this thing reflects your performance. You are thinking and you are means taking it casually. So this way you can do it better, inshallah. Ukasha. Please, only 2-3 minutes are left, so please do it. Hurry up, okay, everyone. 12:15 is the last of submitting the test. Okay, please be stick to the time.
I'm submitting it on your personal number.
Yes, you are submitting me at 12:16. Okay, I will check it, but I will consider late. Okay, and shows your negative side. Yes, Ukasha Naman, why you are writing your name twice? Okay, you still forgot your spelling. Okay, Munazza has sent me. Okay, Munazza, I received your answer sheet. Nabia. Beta, Beta, who is sending this? Please mention your name, Sadiqa. Okay,
Sir, I've
Sadia.
sent
Sadia.
my work on your personal number. I hope
Yes,
you
I
received
got. I got it. Umrah. Walaikum Assalam. Yes, Umrah and Umar, they are siblings.